Hello friends, we have the Samsung washer and dryer. The customer's complaint was that the dryer was making a squeaking noise. Here I'll show you the model and serial number. This is the model number, the way it looks from the inside. Anytime these dryers are making noise, very common problems are this bearing. This usually goes at the back from the inside. And here's the part number. There's also another idler pulley. It's almost like a bearing, but it's called idler pulley. That belt goes around it. The part number is this. To be on the safe side, I would always recommend you replacement of those both parts at the same time. And it's very easy and simple. You just have to pull a dryer out, open the top panel, front panel, the control panel, the front panel. It's also held by two screws here. You want to remove these, and the rest of the work on this dryer is exactly the same way like an old-fashioned large dryers. So it's very easy and simple. This bearing is held at the back of the drum by 4 screws. At the back of this, there's 4 screws. You need to remove this and replace it. When you replace this or remove it, you can also lubricate the shaft just a little bit, slightly. Even 1 drop of oil would be enough. Add 1 drop of oil and then wipe it, clean it really good. After that, put everything back together. After that, everything is gonna run perfectly fine. It's very smooth. Because this is very common part, you do not want to take your chance on this one, because this part could be bad too. So since you're opening the unit apart, you might as well do both of them at the same time. Again, this is common part, but you do not have to do this alone. To be on the safe side, you're opening the whole unit apart, you might as well do both of them at the same time. Thank you.